Hi, I'm Dr. Ashish at Aesthetics Medispa in Pune. In today's video, we are going to cover how to get rid of tattoos. Now, tattoos is nothing else but pigment which is trapped in the dermis. The pigment molecule or the pigment particle size is so large that our body cannot clear it away, and that's why it stays kind of fixed in the deeper layers of the dermis. And that is what we see outside as a tattoo. Tattoos can be of multiple colors, and there are some which are done by professionals and there are some which are done by non-professionals, and the ones which are done by the professionals are usually in the same plane of the dermis in one layer, while those are done by non-professional people, the pigment can be varying depths and even go further deeper. Now, traditionally, tattoos we were getting rid of by cutting them out surgically, but with the advent of laser, especially the Q Switched ND YAG laser, this laser is helpful in getting rid of the tattoo without leaving a scar. So what it does is the light which passes as per the wavelength, it goes and hits the layer where the pigment is and delivers the heat or the energy which is absorbed by the black pigment, and the molecule vaporizes or shatters and disintegrates into tinier size, and that once the molecule has become tiny, the body can clear it away. So it is always a procedure which is done in sessions. That means it may take 3, 4, sometimes even 6 sessions. So you hit it once with the laser, shatter the pigment to smaller particles, give a month or 2 to see how much your body can clear away, and then you again revisit and see what is left and then target it again with laser. So what is important is that you should not injure the dermis by delivering too much energy or heat, because you could get blisters and a scar. I mean, the whole idea is here to get rid of the tattoo without leaving a mark, and that is why you have to be very careful to get it done in a center where they understand this and they use the right equipment, having a good laser machine and a good physician to understand the laser physics and to use the energy. So today we are going to demonstrate how it's done and what to see immediately after it's done. So this is a small tattoo that our patient would like to get rid of. Looks like it's an unprofessionally done tattoo, and the pigment is not very well demarcated, little spread is there. But we are going to use this tool, which is a Q Switched ND YAG laser, and set the parameters. There is a little loud sound that comes when you use it, so you have to warn the patient, and you have to apply a numbing cream for at least 45 minutes to an hour prior to doing this, because you use very high power of fluents and that can hurt the patient. So थोड़ा सा दुखेला ऐसा एकेल्यासारखं वाटेल. Okay, so you can see that this is how you get So now what you can see is that we have targeted the tattoo, and you should get a spattering of the color, a little frosting effect, but that's it. And this has been shattered. In a day or two, a lot of the pigment may appear back, but over time you will find that it will lighten. So this is basically how you treat it with the Q Switched ND YAG sequentially every month, till you have almost obliterated or totally obliterated the tattoo. So I think this should be a good video for those who are interested in getting rid of tattoos. And in another video, we'll cover the complications and what to look out for in the post-laser period. So this is the way it should appear after you have targeted with Q Switched ND YAG laser. There is frosting, there is immediate lightening, but there should be no blistering or no bleeding or any other breach of the skin. You can use ice afterwards to cool the skin down. There is a little bit of heat in there, and they can apply maybe an antibiotic gel for a couple of days. and ask them to revisit in a month's time for another session. So you have to tell them that they may need 4 to 6 sessions till the tattoo has completely, or at least majority of it has disappeared. So if you've liked this video, please click the like and share it. Post your comments. If you want to see more videos like this, then do subscribe. Thank you very much.